Survival tip number 0. Get your hands on one of these and drink it. Yeah.
Number 0.
It predates all the other survival tips.
It's number 0 because
it's
not
special.
A real survival tip.
It's 0 because it's special and totally real. Drink Monster.
Show Bicentennial Park. This is it right there. We used to have a friend who lived there, sort of. He slept under the gazebo over there.
Yep.
Anyway, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel.
If you're new.
Or if you're old, or, you know, middle-aged like me.
Or if you're a sentient can of monster.
I'm going to be middle-aged because I plan on living to 165, so that makes me middle-aged. So, if you go by thirds. If you go by halves, I only live to 110, so I guess that's more realistic. I won't be doing good to live to 56, I'm telling you that right now. Or wait a minute, how old am I?
You were born in
67, 77, 87, 97, 2007, 2017. I was 50. That was 5 years ago. So I'm 55.
Excuse me, I'm allergic to numbers.
I'm allergic to being 55.
Deal with it. I have to deal with the numbers.
I'm telling you, we have been driving past people mowing their lawns.
And I was driving her nuts.
Oh, my sinuses are not happy. Everybody's sneezing and coughing. I don't know why we live in a state we're allergic to, but
it's total guano.
Here we are, right?
Mm-hmm. I already know what we're going to do tomorrow.
Nothing.
Because Mom's going on Girls' Day Out.
Yeah, I'm not taking you anywhere tomorrow.
I meant the day after.
Perhaps.
Yeah, the day after tomorrow, we're going to be recycling. Making me some dinero.
Some moolah.
Some fast cash. Tomorrow, however, Mom and Bonbon are gonna enjoy a little something that I don't think we're entitled to know about. Maybe, possibly.
Tomorrow is a sad anniversary for Bonnie, so we're gonna go out and keep her mind off of it.
Yeah.
Or try anyway. So what are you doing at ARF tomorrow, Chris?
Up in the air because it's going to rain tomorrow.
Oh, what were you supposed to do?
Something outdoorsy.
Such as?
I don't know. I didn't read the schedule that far yet. But if we get it canceled, green team's going to do the site we're going to hang out with. And the blue team from the site we're going to hang out with is going to come to us.
Cool.
As if they are able to send vans my way.
Yeah, they didn't pick them up this morning.
Roads were closed.
They couldn't figure out how to get around a road closure. I'm still more than a little ticked off about that.
They sent the new people to learn my route because the 2 new people can't drive wheelchair vans. So the experienced people can, so that's where they got relegated to.
Relegated.
The only one who can drive that's a new person is a returnee who drove my route before. But she's only there for 1 day a week. And that day was Monday.
Well, I just hope they do better tomorrow.
I hope so too.
Well, I did something today, and I feel the need to mention it.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm serious.
I know, I'm serious too by going, uh-oh.
Last time I wore the same shirt 2 videos in a row, I got a snarky comment on it. And I deleted it.
The poster knows who it was.
Yep, and they're not, I don't even think they're subscribed. They're nobody that I know in real life. So, people, they have this thing now. It's really interesting if you've never heard of it. It's called a washing machine. Sometimes, I know this is weird, people wash their clothes and then wear them again. Oh my goodness. Oh, who ever heard of it?
Les shock.
Ah. So that's what I freaking did, you moron. And if you're watching this, don't leave some narky comments on my video. I hardly ever get any comments, so I always notice them.
Yeah.
And there is no need, pardon my French, to be a bitch. So I have enough trouble without strangers adding to it.
And that's where Mom owns somebody on the internet.
Mm-hmm.
If At Midnight's watching, give her points.
Points.
They're gonna just straight up. They're just gonna straight up give her the internet for the day.
I won the internet.
Possibly. I'm pretty sure she won it, but I have to add possibly for legal reasons.
But I mean, really, who does that? It's not like I film them every day.
Clearly, no.
And I think the last time it was Friday to Monday, and she asked if I'd worn that shirt all weekend. I was like, what a... The nicest word I called her was bitch. So, I'm just going to stick with that. Warning. This episode of Desiree in Suburbia contains strong language. If you are easily offended by strong language, please choose another video.
Yeah.
That's what I ought to title this one.
I would have probably put in something like, Car chat may contain mature material some viewers may not find acceptable.
Oh,
You know, go the whole Adult Swim / Toonami route.
I like mine better.
Yeah.
So we did a whole lot of nothing today.
Yeah.
Literally. It didn't even start until only a few minutes ago for me. Anyway, I'm looking at another $5 Apple gift card soon.
Yes?
Yep.
Anyone interested in the full story?
No.
No? Well, too bad.
No. Who
Anyway.
cares?
Well, too bad, because I'm saying it anyway. Anyway, so we're doing our running around today. Decided to actually go get some Arby's on the insistence of someone who was actually helping us with our running around.
Actually, what he's trying to say is a friend of ours wanted Arby's, so we went and picked it up for him.
Yep, and Mom wanted some Arby's sandwich. That's what I was getting to. I was getting at it in a fanciful way, but still.
Yes, thank you for buying me a sandwich from Arby's, John. I ate it, and it really did make me feel somewhat better, so thank you.
So, this app called Fetch Rewards, by the way, not sponsored.
About half of it, anyway.
This app called Fetch Rewards, I basically shoot a camera at the receipt, and it gives me points for it. Well, I scanned that receipt from the Arby's. I saw a little animation appear before it. Actually showed me how many points I earned. You'll never
Well,
guess.
they're busy.
You'll never guess. 2,025 points. So we went around and got some more stuff.
And I got 2,025 points.
Yeah.
And Mom's like, please don't do this to me again. Right.
That's what he's like, alright.
We had to spend $10, so I ended up getting 2 roast beef sandwiches because they were 2 for $6.
Yep.
And me and Chris tried a corned beef slider just to try it. And let me tell you, it's delicious.
And here's what else Mom got.
Yeah. Next time I go to Arby's, who knows when that'll be. But next time I'm definitely getting one of their Reuben sandwiches to try. Because that was so good.
There's something I would like to try from there too.
What?
Honey barbecue boneless wings.
Yeah. We like to go there, but it's definitely not the cheapest fast food place.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even call them fast food. I would call them fast casual.
I don't know if I'd go that far.
Oh, they're higher up on the
Food
food chain than places like McDonald's and Burger King. And I know, I'm gonna likely get some flack for saying this. Even Taco Hell. Taco Hell's considered fast food.
He got that from a manga which gave underworld flavored names to retailers to avoid getting sued.
Yeah,
It's actually
Taco.
called Taco Bell.
Yeah,
but-
Taco Hell for Taco Bell. Damn Amazon for Amazon.
I think they can figure that out.
Yeah. And before you ask which book it is, it's gonna be heck finding it. It's only produced by Broccoli Books over here.
And
they
that
left the
label's
market
left
for
the
a
market a while back. You're going to be very lucky if you find a copy of it in even good condition at a bookstore that doesn't immediately get rid of all the older contents.
A girl I follow on YouTube, Crazy Lamp Lady, if you're interested. She makes really good videos. Was going through some of her children's old books the other day, and you'll never guess what she found.
Uh-oh.
Calvin and Hobbes, There's Something Drooling Under the Bed. We love Calvin and Hobbes.
Yep.
One year I spent $20 at Christmas time on a stuffed animal that looked like Hobbes, didn't I?
Yep. We still have it too.
I think it's over in the storage unit.
I think it was in the trunk at home.
No, I don't think so. We just went through that trunk a few months ago. But I
Was in
love
one of
it.
our treasure chests.
I'm here to tell you, Wolfie's gonna beat me up and take it. So,
And then Chris is gonna chase him down and say, no!
no Hobbes for you.
Yeah, that's even what we named the thing.
Oh yeah, it's a Hobbes. We love Calvin and Hobbes.
If we wanted to see these comics again, you can't find the books anywhere.
We have
But
them
guess what?
all. What?
You can actually find some, including those that haven't been collected in books, online.
Oh yeah.
They have a Facebook daily group.
Yep.
Of course, if you're one of the few people who actually have brain cells and don't rely on Facebook to think for you, there's actually a site out there that gives access to literally the entire series.
Speaking of Calvin and Hobbes, I remember a clue on Jeopardy which talked about a teacher I've never heard of from the series.
Yeah.
Because I only knew the old lady teacher that kept trying to thwart his escapes, right?
Right.
This teacher on Jeopardy had Mr. in the title. I'm like, when did he have a male teacher?
He did have a male teacher for a while.
I was dumbfounded. I mean, I paid attention to what I read, but I don't think I've read the ones the male teacher.
I'm telling ya, to this day I can't buy Crisco without the kids saying, don't put it in your hair.
And I'm like, tough noogies, my hair gets big enough, I'm putting it in my hair. Putting on alien looking shades and going to all our friends going, take me to your leader.
Yep. Oh, we love Calvin and Hobbes.
You know?
But yeah, seriously, don't put Crisco in your hair.
It's a Calvin and Hobbes thing.
Yeah. I might swipe the cookies while I'm in my alien disguise too. That's what he does, or tries to do.
I cannot eat tuna without thinking of Hobbes.
Yeah.
Just, it's not going to happen. But anyway, we're getting close to home.
Yeah?
Who's got a quote for today?
Check it out. A thermos full of phlegm. 3 guesses where that's from. Oh wait, we kind of buried the lead with that one.
Okay,
I
what
got
about
one
you?
from the same source too.
Okay.
We need these cookies to survive. Do not resist, Earth Woman.
I
I
don't
think that's
know.
what he says.
I don't know why his parents didn't just reach out and try not this time. I'm telling you now. Well, anybody got any big plans coming up?
Not off the top of my head. I got
What's that
big plans
mean?
for next Friday though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to, I think we talked about it earlier, but I'm gonna go to, whatchamacallit in downtown Delaware to surprise my girlfriend. Or that's what I was planning, but I might let her know in advance I'm going there if she wants to meet up.
Probably not a bad idea.
Yeah.
Anyway, humans.
You pointing down?
Yeah. I can't say that I have any major ideas on what I'm going to do. But I know one thing I would absolutely love to do come Friday after we get our recycling did. It's big, it's fun loving, it's for freaks like me. It shoots.
Anyway, thank you for joining us. I hope your week's going better than mine is all I have to say. Take care of yourselves. Get out and have a little fun. Just be good to yourself, okay? And we will talk to you on Friday. See you then. Bye-bye.
Bye.